I'll be using mathematics to teach you what happened at the construction sites. So it is a practical question. I have designed this question purposely to help students to widen their knowledge. So this question here is a very good question. How I wish Wike or Nico or Jan use this question is a very good question. As I release the question, how I wish they see the question very useful and they use it. So now let's go back to the question. A pie is designed to be 40 meters long. The cutoff level is 4 meters below the benchmark, that is 00 level. During the site work, the GPS shows the casing level to be 65.5 meters. Why the benchmark 00 level of the area is what? Is 63 meters. So now let me explain. Now, a pie is that structure, a civil structure that pie foundation, that is what we call it, pie foundation. It transferred the load from the building down to the bedrock, down to the ground. So the pie is basically used to give strength to a building, to help a building or anything, a machine, not or to reduce vibration at a particular area. So now we have this we have having this question here. There are some things you are going to point out from this question. So the question says you should calculate the cut-off level in meters, calculate the pi 2 level, determine the expected depth from the casing level to the pi 2 level. So now let me draw to show everybody. Pi is in form of a cylindrical shape. So let's have something in form of a cylinder like this. This is an example of a pie. So here is called a casing level, while here 00 level. So from here we call it the toe level, while somewhere here, because the cutoff level, which is from the benchmark below, is I think some 4 meters. Yes, so from here to here is 4 meters. So now this is where the pi at the cutoff level, this is where the pi is going to start. So from here to here is the pi is designed to do what? 40. So here is 40 meters. From here to the toe level is 40 meters. So now our casing level is 63.5, while our 00 level is 63. So now the question now asks you to find the toe level and find the cutoff level. That is, you should find the distance from, that is, if here is 63, so you should find the distance from here down. You should find the height, the elevation from here down. So here, that is where they say cutoff sorry, cut off level. That is a cutoff level. Then the question says you find the cutoff level, the toe level, and what again? You determine the expected depth. That is, you know what they are going to drill down to the ground. That is, you should know what they are going from here. They will drill down, right? So the expected depth we don't know for now. So let's start. After drawing this is the typical example of a pie. So now let's first look for the cutoff level. So the cutoff level of a pie, you take the cutoff level, which is 4 meters below the benchmark. The benchmark is from, what is the benchmark? at the site construction, if you go to the site, the benchmark is that place, or just an area they used to take measurements, take elevation for the entire site. So is the elevation of the ground above the sea level. The elevation of the ground above the sea level, that is the benchmark we are talking about, the zero level. That is, if as you are standing, that height of that ground above the sea level. So in any site construction, they will go and take a particular place which they are going to backfill use it to backfill all the places. So now that place, the benchmark below to the cutoff is what is 4. So for you to have this cutoff level, so solution to number A, our cutoff level is equal to that is the zero level minus the this cutoff below the benchmark, cutoff below the benchmark. So now our zero level is what is given to be 63. So that would be 63 minus 4, and this will give us 59 meters. So that is it. So that is the cutoff level. So here is what 59 meters down. For if here is 63, if you reduce 4 meters here will be 59, right? So number B, our number B, find the what? Calculate the pi toe level. So toe level is the pi tip. That is the how, if you drill pi down, if you cast a pi, the tip of that pi down to the ground, that is the toe level. The pi that is drilling down. So what the tip of that pi is what we call the toe level. How far the pi has gone down. So that is the toe level is here, where the pi. So for us to have pi toe level, what you will do here, pi toe level is going to be this here, which is you're going to subtract the cut 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 off minus cut off level minus. So here you're going to say, so after finding the cutoff level in meters, let's look at option B, which is calculate the pi or pi toe. Say we should calculate the pi toe level. So pi toe level, pi toe level is equal to, so this toe level here, to calculate it, we're going to subtract, that is pi toe level is equal to cut off level minus is cut-off level here minus length, the design length of that pi, design length of pi, which is the design length of the pi was given to be what 40 meters. So that is 59, which is the cutoff, minus 40, and this will give us 19 meters. Okay, so and let's look for the design, which is the third one, which is C. Let's look for the expected depth. So the expected depth is calculated as expected depth, that is how far you are going to drill, is given as um the casing level minus uh, 2 minus 2 level, right? Yes, minus 2 level, which is, so that will give us the casing level is given from our GPS to be 60 what? 63. So 63.5 minus 19. This will give us uh, 44.5 meters. So guys, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you can follow more practical questions like this in advance. Thank you.